Hello, you're welcome once again to New Focus Approach to Mathematics Basic 7 book. And this is revised edition. And in this video, we want to learn how to measure central tendency of a data. This lesson can be found in page 363. Now, talk of central tendency, we are looking at the central part of a data. And we are going to concentrate so much on calculating the mode of a given data. Now, what is central tendency? A measure of central tendency is a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying the central position within that set of data. What you are trying to say here simply means if I give you a data, for example, I ask all your classmates of their ages and they mention 2 years, 3 years, maybe 15 years. Okay, let me make it 12 and then 13. Um, then 12 years again, okay, and then another person says 12 years. Now, these ages, what one single number can I use to represent the age and say, okay, the class is average of maybe 12 years. Okay, that is what we are referring to as central tendency. How do we measure it? We can measure this using three different methods. There are more, but for our level here, we'll learn how to use mean, mode, and median to measure. So in this particular video, we are going to concentrate on mode. Now let's take an example. Let's say the data below shows the responses of B7 learners on the subject they like most. Determine the mode of the distribution. So the following subjects were asked: English, mathematics, and science. And then they asked students, maybe one after the other. First person says, I like mathematics. Second person says, I like mathematics. Third says English. Fourth says science. Then English. Then English. Then mathematics. Then mathematics. Then mathematics. English. Science. Science. So the question is, which of this is the most occurring? Because mode simply means look at the data and find out which of the variable occurs most frequent. That's what we call mode, most frequent. Let's see, mathematics has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people responded that they like mathematics. For science, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. And for English, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. So you see that math is the most occurring. And so here we see our mode is mathematics. Our mode is mathematics because math occur most frequent. Okay, so the mode of the distribution is mathematics. Okay, good. Now let's take another example. Look at this one. The following numbers represent the score of 9 people. Okay, I think that's going to be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 peoples in a mathematics test. Find the modal score. Find the modal score. Again, we look at the most occurring frequency. Now, so 3 gives me, I think 3 appear only 1, 2 appear 1, 2, 3. And then apart from 2 appearing 3 times, 7 appears only twice, 9 appear once, 5 appear once, 1 appear once. So here we can say that 2 is the most occurring. And so our modal score is equals to 2. That is it. Okay, good. Now look at this one too. Here we want to find the modal score of the class once again. And we can see here that, okay, 2 appears only twice. Let's count 3. 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's count 1 also. 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4. I think these are the most 4, 4, right? So here we'll say that our modal score, because there are 2 numbers that are occurring most frequent, our modal score becomes 2. And so we'll say the modal score will be 1 and 3 bimodal. The word is bimodal because we have 2 of the numbers appearing most. So The bimodal of the data is 1 and 3. I hope it makes sense. Let's look at the last one. Okay, here we want to use table to do this. They've put all the data into table for us. So the question is, the table below shows the distribution of ages of some children at a fanfare. Then at a fanfare, they were having children whose ages ranges from 12 up to 17. So they asked them, how many of you are 12 years? 3 people raised their hand. How many of you are 13 years? 4 people raised their hand. How many of you are 14 years? 6, 15, 2, 16, 4, and then 17. Only one person is age 17. So which among these ages, look at the ages, appear most frequent? That we have more children who are at the age of 14. Sorry, at the age that is most. And you can see that is 14. So you can see that 14 has the highest frequency, which is 6. And so our answer will be the mode age is 14, not 6, it's 14. So our modal age is 14 years. How many children attended the party? So we can know that by just looking at, okay, 3 people were here, 4 people were here, 6 people were here, 2, 4, and 1. So 3 plus 4 making 7, plus this 13, 15, 19, 20. So there were 20 students or children at the party, right? So I'm sure you've gotten the concept of mode or modal mark. Thanks so much for watching.